shake it like that alley cat. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. In the shoulder with a chip on ankle. RuPaul called and said the category is Festival Extravaganza. And I said, I'm gonna serve you BRONXCHELLA mommy realness.
I want it all. Want a better life. I want the world to know my name. I want it all. Run it in the game. Boss, chick, flow, CEO. I want it all. Want a better life. I want the world to know my name. I want it all. Run it in the game. Boss, chick, flow, CEO. And a ring. See, I've been trying for so long.
Vecinas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, stop what you're doing and go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. If you're a regular here, hey girl, hey Vecina, thank you so much for the love and support. You know, I'm supposed to actually be packing because I leave to New Orleans tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. But I was so inspired deep down in my soul to give you this BRONXCHELLA mommy realness because, I mean, so many things. Like, I still cannot get over Beyonce's performance. I can't get over Coachella. I watched it 3 times already from start to finish. Phenomenal. Encore. I cannot wait to see what she puts on this weekend. And you know, that got me thinking, if I were able to attend Coachella to see Beyonce perform on weekend 2, like, what would I wear? Like, how would I do my makeup? How would I do my hair? And you know, this is a hairstyle that I used to do all the time when I was in middle school. If you know me from my middle school years, you know this is real. You know this is true. I used to do this hairstyle a lot with black rubber bands. A lot of times I would do it with the colored ones and I would just mix them. Like, I didn't worry about coordinating so much. I would just put like random rubber bands. But this was like my go-to look, and I would wear like this, and I would have my hair curly in the back. And I loved it for multiple reasons. I loved it because it looks cute. Hello. You see my baby hairs and you see my hoops. And you can get multiple days out of this hairstyle. You can wear it down. You can wear it in a ponytail. You can also wear, oh, this looks so good in a ponytail. You could wear it in a ponytail. You could wear it half up, half down. This looks hella cute. Or you could do like a top knot bun. You catch my drift. So yeah, I love this hairstyle and I wanted to bring it back. I wanted to like reminisce on, you know, those years when I would do my hair like this. And also I just thought this was a great style for a curly girl headed to Coachella, because a lot of times, you know, your day 1 hair, your day 2 hair looks amazing, but by day 3 your hair starts getting frizzy. It's really hot over there. And so I figured this will be great because the front of your hair is tied back, so that's usually the part that gets the frizziest. If the back gets frizzy, it doesn't matter because it looks cute, especially with this hairstyle. Like, it does not matter if your hair is frizzy or looks crazy back here because the front looks cute. And it's super easy to upkeep. Your hair is out of your face. Your profile is on front and center. You know, some cute makeup to really bring out the festive look. I have this off the shoulder top, which is from Charming Charlie, and you can wear it like this, but I just thought it was cuter with one arm. And I would totally rock this with some high-waisted Levi's, so my booty looks nice, my legs look good, and some cute sandals or sneakers. And this will be my Coachella, BRONXCHELLA inspired look. I mean, totally different from the West Coast girls that are probably there with like feathered earrings and like all this fringe and all this like Native American cultural appropriation. Anyways, I digress. The hairstyle is super easy to do, and I hope that you guys enjoy this hair tutorial and a makeup look. Comment down below and let me know what you're looking forward to out of Coachella performances. I love that they have been live streaming all the performances on YouTube. I'll leave a link if you guys want to catch the different shows. I mean, honestly, like, so many people paid like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars for those tickets to go see Beyonce. Meanwhile, we were at home in our couches in air conditioning, having some snacks and watching her in all her glory. Oh, amazing, amazing. And I heard that like most of the people that were at Coachella didn't even like fully understand the concept of her performance, which is just like You're such a waste of, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, oh, I could talk about her performance this entire video, but I'm not going to, because I know you are here to see this hair and you are here to see this face. So let's get started with this tutorial. To begin this look, we are going to start off with freshly washed hair. I even clarified my curls. If you have no idea what that is, go ahead and watch my last video. Okay, so I'm just sectioning off my hair. What I did was split my hair down the middle and then bring it down to the side of my ears. I did that on both sides, and then just tying the hair up into a bun. Make sure that you secure the hair in the back as well so that it stays out of your way when you are doing your hair. I'm going to apply Afro Love's Curling Souffle to my hair so that I have some type of cream in there to keep the hair moisturized as I'm styling it. And I'm also going to add Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Gel. They have a new gel that came out. This one has a stronger hold, and let me tell you guys, I think I might have to do another separate video on this gel because I really love this stronger hold. So to make sure that all the baby hairs are down and all the frizzies in the front stay down, I'm going to add this Snot gel from Creme of Nature, and I'm just applying that to the hair before I start off with the section. These rubber bands are from Amazon. Like I said, you can use black rubber bands with this look if you want to keep things a little bit more basic, but I really love these colorful ones because I felt that they were very festive and just added a lot of fun to the look. I got these on Amazon. I'll provide the link in the description below. I feel like they were very flexible. They definitely hold like a good amount of hair. You can stretch them out. And if you have very thick hair, like, you're going to love these rubber bands because, like I said, they are very flexible, and they were also very easy to remove when I took them off. So as you see here, I'm just applying the Snot gel to the very front, kind of like laying down the edges in the front as I'm tying it. And it really helps if you twist the piece of hair when you're tying it with the rubber band, because sometimes it can be hard to secure, especially the front of the hair. But if you twist it a little bit and then you connect the two boxes as you're going back, it's very easy to do this hairstyle. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. I think the first 3 or 4 rolls, it was a little bit difficult just because I haven't done this look in so many years. But after the 4th roll, I got the hang of it and I was able to move through it at a much quicker pace. When doing this hairstyle, you definitely want to make sure, like I said, that the hair is wet because it makes it just easier to style. And you also want to make sure that you're securing the hair in the back, because what happens is the hair in the back is going to want to creep up into the current box that you're working on, and it just gets really annoying. You'll understand once you're doing this hairstyle on yourself, but basically if you keep the hair wet and are just really careful as you're tying each section, making sure that there's not a piece of hair from the back section on the current section that you're working on, the hairstyle will come out good. One tip that I will tell you is that when you are tying the hair, the sections together, make sure that you are tying the hair on top of your head versus on the side of your head. If you do it on the side, the hair is not going to lay right and you're going to have to undo the rubber band and start all over again. So when you are securing the rubber band, just make sure that you're tying it at the very top of your head versus on the side. And like I said, this is probably something that's going to make more sense when you're actually doing the hair versus, you know, just watching me do it. After you are done styling your hair, you just want to re-wet it, comb it out to make sure that you don't have any tangles, and then apply your products. So to the back of my hair, I applied the same products that I applied in the front with the exclusion of the Snot gel. So I used the Afro Love curly Puree in my hair, and then I applied the gel on top, and I just loved the results I got from this. What completes this look is definitely the baby hairs. I use Creme of Nature's Argan Oil Perfect Edge Control with extra hold, and then I just took my favorite little toothbrush that I use for my hair, and then I just laid my edges down, laid my baby hairs down, whatever you want to call it. If you don't have baby hairs, do not worry, girl. Just get a toothbrush and get a little bit of edge control, and I'm sure that you have a little teeny tiny bit of baby hairs somewhere. If you tried and you don't have any, don't worry. This still looks cute even without the baby hairs. And of course, don't forget your hoops, girl. That definitely gives you a BRONXCHELLA look. Now let's get into this makeup look. I wanted to keep the eyes very simple up top, but with a pop of color on the bottom. So I'm going to use this matte eyeshadow palette from Meron. This is definitely a makeup brand that a lot of professional makeup artists use. Actually, this brand kind of became known because it was used a lot in theater makeup, which means that it's really going to give you all day type of results, because people that work in theater, I mean, their face has to stay on all throughout that production with those crazy lights and all that heat. And so this is a great makeup brand, and it's super affordable, guys. This matte eyeshadow palette, I love. All these colors are so versatile. It's really great for an everyday type of makeup look. I mean, you can do from smoky eye to like a brown smoky eye to just an everyday type of eye. I really love this freaking palette. So as you can see, I added the brown transition type of colors onto my crease, and then on my lid I added that light color, and I'm just gonna pack that color using a flat brush and really go back in and blend the transition color, add a little bit more transition color, a lot of blending going on for sure, and then packing that very beautiful matte onto the lid. For liner, I'm going to use this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I love their eye pencils. They're super creamy and gorgeous and really last all day long. So I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to use a brush to buff it out and blend it all out. This color is so gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This is definitely something that I'm going to be wearing all summer. I just love this pop of color. They have a bunch of other beautiful colors. They have purples and other blues, so definitely play around, have fun, pick a very fun color to go with your festive look. To define the eyes on top, I'm just going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and I'm going to apply just a little bit of dashes on it, very close to my lash line, because I just want to define the eye a little bit and make my kind of lashes pop more. And I know I can achieve that if I apply some black liner very close to the lash line. So I'm just applying the black liner, and then I'm just going back in with that matte color on top just to make the color pop. And yeah, just blending out that line that I did with a small tiny brush to really add definition to the eye. And I love the way that this eye look turned out. It's so beautiful. So to add an even more pop of color, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm just going to use that blue to go over the liner that I put. The liner is going to stay on all day, but I really just wanted like extra assurance. So anytime you use a liner, if you use a powder on top, it's just going to lock it in. So that's what I did here. And then I was getting a little bit oily, so I just applied this powder foundation from Bare Minerals. I really love this foundation. This has like been my go-to powder foundation as of late. For my brows, you know, I keep it simple, you know, I keep it sexy using my Benefit brow products. And then for blush, I'm gonna use this really pretty blush from Benefit. It's called California, and it's like this perfect orangey type of like peachy glowy blush, and I just love how glowy it makes you look. Because I had a very colorful eye look, I wanted to keep the lips really simple and cute. So I'm going to use this matte liquid lipstick from Ofra. The color is Mocha, and I just think it balanced the entire look very well. For a highlighter, I'm going to use this warm highlighting palette from Meron Makeup. Again, guys, super affordable. You're getting lots of product, and girl, look at this glow. I was not even ready for the color payoff on this highlight. It is so freaking beautiful. I just mixed like all three of the colors together and highlighted my face, and I love it. I also use a little bit of the highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. You know I love an inner corner highlight. It just kind of like brings the whole look together. And then I'm gonna apply this rose mist from Pixie Cosmetics, and then use a beauty blender to kind of like press the powder into my skin so it just looks like a beautiful natural glow. And then, hello, we need volume in this hair. I'm using a hair pick to add a little bit more volume to the back of my hair. To add a little bit of moisture and shine to my hair, I'm gonna use this coconut and white jasmine oil from Apothecary Essentials, and I'm just gonna scrunch it into my hair to break any cast that I have from the Ouidad gel. This oil smells so good, guys, and because I could use a little bit more of a glow, I'm also going to apply this oil all over my shoulders and my hands and my cuticles on my nails.
Baby, how's your day? But today ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? There, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and play. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Nobody's holding you back from me. How you used to do when you say everything to me.
I'm feeling myself. So what'd you think of this look? Do you love it as much as I do? I'm just living for this like throwback moment right now. My girl Amy, who does my nails, did you guys see this latest nail design that I have on? I'm obsessed. Like, ugh, so good. So Amy wrote me, okay mommy, giving me DMX, how's it going down? Spanish mommy vibes, short dress and Air Ones, getting ice cream from the ice cream truck. Yes. No, but for real though, this is like, I could have been in a 90s video from the Bronx. I could have been like in one of J-Lo's like videos, right? You know, I'm just living for this look. So like I shared earlier, this hairstyle is super, Rico is in the background playing with his toys, driving me crazy. So like I shared earlier, this hairstyle is super easy to maintain, whether you are rocking this to Coachella or you are going to rock this look this summer. To maintain the style throughout the days, all you have to do is obviously re-wet the back of your hair, add product and let it air dry or diffuse, pick it out a little bit so that you can have more volume in the back, and then the front is gonna start to get frizzy over time. So what you want to do is use a foaming mousse like this. This is from Cream of Nature. There's a bunch of different companies that make mousses like this. Shea Moisture has a good one as well. Design Essentials has my absolute favorite mousse of all time. So you want to take a foaming mousse like this and you just want to pump a few pumps in your hand. And then you just want to apply it to the style. And you want to make sure that like all the front of it is evenly saturated. And what it's going to do is just going to reset the style for you. And then you're ready to go. Also use this mousse to refresh the back of your hair as well, which is great because in that way you don't need to carry 51,000 products with you around. You can just use one product to refresh your entire look. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the hair. And if you recreate this look, please tag me in it so I can show you some love. Don't forget to use our hashtag. We do have a vecina hashtag for all of the vecinas. If you're new here and you don't know what that is, a vecina means a neighbor, especially in the Latino culture in New York. Vecinas are like family. They're the people that you go to share chisme, food, outfits, everything. Your neighbors are really like family, especially if you've lived in the same building for most of your life. So you guys are like my vecinas, and our hashtag is vecina fam. So if you recreate this look, just use that hashtag so I can go and show you some love, girl. Or if you just want to use a hashtag because you want to use it, I will still show you some love because I truly love you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Only a maniac like myself would come home after running errands, because I leave tomorrow out of town for a week, and sit down and film an entire video. But I love y'all. I knew that you guys would love this look, and I was really excited to just create it. It was the creative in me just like, oh, I really want to do this look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.